Most people don't buy headshots. They buy credibility, confidence, and connection. A great headshot can help someone land their dream job, stand out online, and elevate their brand presence. In this video, I'm going to break down how to start, how to market your services, and how to help people see the real value of professional headshots. Hey, I'm Ruth Annan, an event and headshot photographer who's built a six-figure business. And today I'm giving you the marketing strategies I wish I had when I first started. All headshots are not created equal. Identify your audience and whom you want to capture. Who are they? Are they actors? Are they teachers? Are they working professionals? Are they mothers who are getting back into the workforce? Who is your client? And the reason why that matters is because you're not just targeting anybody or everybody. You have a specific audience that seldomly or very frequently asks you for your opinions. They ask you for your images. They are the people that are following you on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook. They are the people closest to you in your community if you're first starting out. If you've been in the game for some time, these are going to be people that you've worked with in the past that perhaps do not have headshots yet, or people that you meet along the way by way of SEO, by way of your website, by way of Instagram, you name it. You know who your audience is. And if you don't know, it's time that you do an inventory of the people that usually are asking you for your photography services. The clearer you are about your target audience, the better results you will have, because the people that are looking for your services are willing to pay you for what you provide. Knowing your audience is crucial because the next step would be marketing. Who are you marketing to? And here's the thing about marketing. Marketing is not just about promotion or telling people what you do. Marketing is about education. You are educating your audience, you are educating your clients on what you provide and what they in turn will get when they are now having sessions with you and having you come out to photograph their teams, photograph their staff, photograph themselves. It's important that you learn about marketing, better yet, educating the people that you want to serve. And in doing so, the primary thing you want to do is make sure people know how easy, how fun, how comfortable it is to work with you. And one of the best ways for you to do that, one of the best free ways, in my opinion, for you to do that right now, as we speak, as you're watching this video, is your social media. These are people that are already following you. And when it comes to headshots, because it is something, I believe it is something so intimate, and you don't really have that much time sometimes with clients to really get to know them, to relate with them. And it's such a short time for you to get the best out of people. Educating them in advance is a great way for them to know, or for them to weigh out, is this somebody that I can work with? Is this somebody that would make me comfortable? And by doing so, you are going to be educating your audience, you're creating, you're nurturing an environment, you are attracting your clients to you. Social media is going to be the best platform for you to market yourself. Whether you're doing ads or you're doing this for free, make sure you are letting people know about what you do on a daily basis, if not on a weekly basis, so that they don't forget who you are. Sharing posing tips online, sharing with your clients the best colors for them to wear, sharing with your clients the worst colors for them to wear. These are things that you probably know in your head, but your client has no idea, because all they see are images of other people and they look great in their headshots, but they're not getting the same results, or they don't look as great in their photos. So how can you help them understand that you will hold their hand throughout the entire session, and even before that and after? If you're not on social media, broadcasting what you already do. And it's simple. You don't need to get on social media and buy the high-end, equipment. You don't need to do any of that. What you need to do is start with what you have. You have your phone, communicate with people on what you do. If you are doing a mock headshot session, record it. Do behind the scenes. Get in front of your audience, market to them, educate them on what you know. And I'm telling you, these steps right here, this is stuff that I've done. This is tried and true. It'll get you in front of your audience, and it'll get your audience to come running to you for sessions. Leveraging local connections is another great way to reach out to your audience and put yourself out there. I remember when I first started out in photography, I was going to meetup groups because I figured, hey, I don't know who these professionals are. I don't know who's out here. And I would go online, Meetup. I know that there's Eventbrite. There are other places that you can find about things that are happening around you in your neighborhood or even in nearby cities. And I would go to these events. I would attend. I would bring my business cards. I would talk to people, put myself out there and let people know what I do. And just from attending one event, I was able to secure a headshot session, and it was great. It was amazing because they needed headshots. I happened to be there on that day. I happened to talk to someone, and they passed my contact on to somebody else that got me that job. So getting yourself out there is another great way for you to really get what you want, which is your clients coming to you in droves. Attend local events. People need to see, they need to hear about what you do. And if you're at home, stuck, wondering what to do, I'm telling you what to do because I've done these things. Go to meetup groups. Go to local events. Take your camera with you. As long as it's in a safe environment and you feel like you can be out there. I remember I used to take my camera to art events. I used to take my camera to church events. I would take my camera to friends' events because you never know when there is an opportunity sitting right there waiting for you. And unless you talk to people, unless you put yourself out there, they just won't know about what you do. And then you won't have a way to market to people about what you do. So get out of your house. And while you're inside of the house, make sure you're on social media, connecting with people and educating them about what you do. I talk about this in another video, and it has a lot to do with your systems. In this case, make sure you have a seamless way that your clients can reach you. Number one, having some type of form, intake form on your website that they can just put in their information, their name, what they're looking for, their budget, how you can reach them, and what they need overall. That's an intake form, something that you can put on your website. People know that's where they go if they want to talk to you, or if you have your phone number or your email address, something that they can reach you immediately. And here's the thing about having forms online or anywhere where people can reach you. Make sure that you are actually responding in real time. I don't wait more than 24 hours. I don't even wait more than 30 minutes to reach back out to my clients. And, sometimes that'll be the defining factor between them choosing you and choosing someone else. I have heard time and time again, clients say to me, I reached out to 4 other photographers. You're the first person that's reached out to me. Having systems that work and you working those systems, that is a game changer. That's going to help you reach the clients that you are looking to reach. It's going to help you reach the goal. It's going to help you get to 6 figures much sooner than what you would have wanted to or what you would have done on your own had you not known these tips. Reach back out to people. Do not leave people hanging because guess what? There are a million other photographers out there ready to take that job. Your intake form needs to have a what? A whom, a where, so that people can answer those questions so that when you give them a call, they know exactly what you're talking about. You know what you're talking about. Remember, the quicker you get to those clients, the higher your chance is of actually booking that client. After you reach out to your client and you talk to them, make sure you're sending them a quote. Immediately send them a quote. because they want to know what it is that they're going to be spending. And here's a quick tip about sending over quotes. I love an element of surprise. I never send a quote without sending my work attached to it. In my case, the website that I use, I'm able to send my images. I'm able to put together videos where I want my client to know I'm the person to work with. You're not going anywhere else. We are locked in. Once they see those images, once they see that video, it just brings my brand to life and it makes them feel that much closer to it and like they really want. And of course, they really want to work with me because I put my best out there. I'm answering their form. I am bringing back, I am reminding them to the forefront of their mind why they should be working with me when I send my quote. I'm not only sending you numbers, I'm sending you value. People need to know that you value them so that they can in turn value your brand and value you. When you apply all of the tips that I talked about in this video, I'm telling you, clients are going to be coming to you. Now, it does take time. You're not going to see results over time if you just do it once and then you quit. That's not what this is about. Scaling your business to 6 figures means you are putting in the work, but you're putting in work that has already been tried. You are putting in work that somebody else has already done so that you can be as successful, if not even more successful than we are. And this is it. This is the secret sauce. And everything that I talked about in this video, you now having this information, what are you doing with the information? Are you just going to sit on it, or are you actually going to implement these things? Are you going to ensure that you are educating people online? Are you showing up physically and online? Are you going to have a form on your website? And are you sending out quotes that are going to be memorable to that client, which in turn will make them want to work with you? Are you willing to do those things? I've said it all. I've answered your question. And now I charge you to go and do these things. If this was helpful to you in any way, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. Also, let me know, what kind of client are you trying to attract? And if you'd like for me to talk about pricing your headshot sessions, I'd love to hear from you down in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. I am going to help you reach your 6-figure goals. Believe me, you just apply the things that you're learning in this video and you're going to get there in no time. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.